Hello friends, it's Katie, and today I wanted to show you how you can get started with our online mortgage application. This is a great way to start the process when you can't meet with a loan officer face-to-face, and it is safe, it is secure, and it is the same exact application you would be completing in the branch. Once the application is submitted, we receive your information. It is reviewed by a loan officer, not a robot, who will then call you within 72 hours or so to follow up and let you know what the next steps are. Today, I just wanted to give you a little taste of the process so you know what to expect when you're getting started. You're going to want to start out at friendshipstatebank.com. You're going to select the Loans and Mortgages tab and that Apply Now option, which is right at the top. You're then going to be directed to a page where it shows you all of the different loans that you can apply for with us online, the home, the auto, and the personal. We're going to select the home. You're going to see this disclosure, but don't be alarmed. We are just required to show this anytime we direct you to a site outside of our main webpage. This is our site that we use to accept online loan applications, so it is safe, it is secure, and you can go ahead and proceed. You're going to be directed to our Mortgage Center. You can see it's really easy to find the online application, but before we go there, I want to show you some other great resources on this page. You'll see that you can check the daily rates, you can view our disclosures, and the Resources tab is fantastic. There's a lot of good calculators that can help you with the whole home buying process. So let's go ahead and go to the application now. When you get started, you're going to see we are asking you to create a user ID and a password. This is so you don't have to start over if you can't complete the application in one setting. You can complete a portion of it and then you can sign out, log back in, and complete the rest of it when you have time. And then the next page, you are actually at the official loan application. This is the same exact application that a loan officer would be completing with you in the branch if they were doing an interview with you in person. So here you just need to select what you are going to be using this mortgage for. You can go ahead and see all the options and just select which one applies to your situation. So in this case, we are going to select that pre-qualification option. We'll need to know who will be applying for the loan and your email address. That just helps us as another form of communication and contact with you throughout the process. We will also be contacting you by phone as well. And then how will you use the property that you are financing? And then how did you hear about us? We always appreciate knowing that information as well. And then this next disclosure, this is just giving us permission to send you any loan document disclosures electronically. So if you could just review that disclosure, make sure you agree with everything and agree to receiving those required disclosures electronically. And on the next page, it's just going to start asking you a little bit about the property that you're pursuing. And you just complete that information the best that you can. We know in some situations that may change, so just do it the best that you can. We can always change this information later. And then we also want to remind you, if you do have any questions throughout the process, there are some great, prompts and help on the page, so you can select those links and see if that's helpful. But again, call us. We will connect you with a loan officer. They, again, can walk you through the process, help you answer any questions that you might have. You'll also see on the right here, there are some frequently asked questions. This is really good information as well for you to check out. On this page, you are just going to start filling in your personal information that we are required to have to start the process. So you're going to complete that page and follow the prompts for the rest of the application. It's going to be unique for everyone's situation. This is a dynamic application process. So depending on how you answer one question will determine what question that you are answered next. We hope that was helpful in understanding how to start the process. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. And just remember, you can rely on friendship.
Friendship State Bank. Rely on friendship. Friendship State Bank.